Hey everybody, I just wanted to make a YouTube first video showing this glitch on the AlertWorks EAR-10. I found this like a couple days ago, and I don't think anybody else has found this glitch. So, if I go into alert test, and the radio is currently on, and if I turn it off into the off position, and I'm going to act like it's testing. It's a faint little buzz. And then watch what happens every time I hit a button. Pretty cool. I can make like my own little beats like that. Anyway, that will be it. Signing out.